So I'm out here with Ride with Will. Check him out on YouTube. Awesome guy. So we're heading out to ride some special areas. Picking up another guy and then heading off into the wild blue sunset. Or yeah, yonder, right? Not sunset. You don't have a wild blue sunset. Even though I don't know what a yonder is. Pretty amazing when you get on a bike and you're like, why is the chain guard tensioner thing for your drive chain loose? Oh, it's missing a bolt. How long has it been like that? That's why I heard knocking probably a ride or two ago. Oh well. Imagine if it would have came totally loose, it would have got caught in the chain. Oh boy. So had to add one new bolt, tighten the other bolt. So luckily I had a bolt that seemed like a good length and a good fit because it's recessed. The head is recessed. Yeah, today I'm only filming at the 1080, 60 frames a second with the GoPro colors. I kind of liked how the last video turned out, so figured give that a try again. That allows me to record with a 256 gigabyte card. Oh, around, I think it's like 10 and a half hours to the 11 hours or something like that. More video than I would really want to edit, but that's a lot of video that I can go through. So Will's on his KLX. And we're going to be doing some interesting stuff. It's a lovely day. It's a Thursday. This is a nice day. Very few people out. Buy one of these houses for $700,000-800,000. I don't know who buys these houses. Don't know. Two for sale. One back there and one that one. Interesting. And then a couple up here. And then these ones are probably a lot more. Honestly, I don't understand who buys these homes. I mean, even two professional incomes, it's like you're just mortgaged to the hilt just to be like, I live in a big house. Well, big house means more to take care of, more expense, more electricity on AC, more landscaping possibly, and that doesn't always mean so, that the yards are bigger or anything. Just more stuff in general, you know? Higher insurance, home insurance, higher property taxes. I mean, I don't know what the benefit is other than saying like, I have this nice big house that's right on this road. I don't know what the benefit is. I guess I'm unique. As I've gotten older, I just look at these things like, what a waste of money and the maintenance and cleaning your house. And don't be like, oh, well, for that price, they probably have a housekeeper. They possibly could, or they could be so broke that they're cleaning the house. This is the one for like $258. Crazy. It does have 5 acres. So I think it's all this to this corner and the other corner. If it was like 200, I would say, okay, I could live in it for 200. And then once we pay it off, build a newer house. Like, see, I like this one. This one's smaller, But they have nicer outbuildings. And it looks like they have like 3. So, yeah. See, if that one was $458, I would say okay. Like, that would seem logical. Not something that looks like it's a pre-manufactured home that hasn't been updated since it was built, you know. This one has a nice fence and barn. That would be a nice man cave, 3-car garage. Still pretty, not the biggest of houses, but probably a good enough size. It's a Thursday and there's already people on the road. Let's see what's going on. What's going on here? Oh my God, it's a Thursday and there's people parked every which way. I mean, it's not as bad as during the weekend where they're parked out here, but for a Thursday? Wow. So it shows you, even at this time, into June, trails are still busy. Busier than they ever have been. Believe me, I ride a lot. I see these trails a lot. Usually on like a Thursday, these things are empty. You know, people are at work. I know you'll say, but Mark, a lot of people are out of work right now. Eh, possibly, but I don't think as many in the Front Range. Okay, now what's going on? Slow down, not responsible for damages. This trailhead is nutty. It is packed. No target shooting. Oh, but I wanted a target shoot right here. I don't even think it would be legal here if that sign wasn't here. This is still Monument. This is like still city. I mean, right through those trees is houses over there and stuff. And see a house in front of me. I mean, there's houses all over here. A lot of this is private property, various spots along this road. Oh, come on. Yeah, I see ya. Hello. I ride a lot, but I don't race. Do you race? You race some? So anyways, this should be a fun day. Hopefully you guys follow along in the next video. This is kind of like a teaser. Have a good one. Bye.